Hi, it's Melissa from Creative Frugal Fun. Oh my gosh, it has been forever since I have been on here, and I was doing some videos for my business and thought, okay, I'll try to throw in a, a YouTube Creative Frugal video while I'm here and all set up. So just wanted to come on and say hello. As always, I'm sorry there haven't been any videos. I can give you an update on how things are going, but I just haven't had time to do videos. And as always, I would love to get back into them, but it just hasn't happened. So, as usual, you're going to hear me say that a lot. Life has been busy here. I've got a child that's in college full time. I've got one that's been home for the year doing virtual school, which I'd love to know your thoughts about virtual school because it did not work well for us. My husband now works from home. I'm working from home doing some additional and other things. And so it's just we're all home all the time and it's just kind of crazy. And we have not found a new house. We have put lots of offers in. Unfortunately, where we live, people are paying well above asking price and giving the sellers just about everything but the kitchen sink. And so we're just kind of pulling back a little bit. I don't know if we'll be moving this year or not, but so that is what has been going on here. As far as creative frugal stuff, I've been doing a lot with my air fryer and my Instapot, and I have a whole craft room full of stuff that are projects that I could probably show you each one of them and do a video for each one. I just haven't gotten to it. I don't know about you, but with this whole COVID thing, I kind of stopped shopping in the past year. And it's just been recently that I've gone to Dollar Tree a little bit more. And so we saved quite a bit of money because I wasn't shopping, but I just basically would do grocery pickup and then come home, and we don't eat out a lot. We don't, I don't shop a lot. We shop a lot online. And so it's just been totally different, and I haven't really known what to share with you. Thank you for all the comments on the bread machine and the recipes and whatnot. I've gotten some really sweet comments later, and thank you to my subscribers, to all of you, and to those that have just recently joined. Welcome. I'm glad that you're with us, and if you have any suggestions for videos, just leave those down below. I am still a real estate agent, and I am doing notarizations now. I actually try to do them online when I can. So if you want to know more about that, let me know. That's a great thing that you can do from home on your own schedule. And so I just love to hear from you and love to know what you want to see. And then hopefully we can get this going again. So thanks for hanging in there with me. I hope all is well with you, and I hope to be back sharing things with you again soon. And again, let me know what you want to see. I'd love to know. Thanks. Bye.